if this video gets over 50 likes, I will do a side-by-side comparison of the traditional Captain in Arizona Adobe color versus the tobacco in StormKing lug outsole, alright? Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If it's your first time here, my name is Michael Shu and welcome. As we are in the full swing of boot season, I decided to do a Thursday boot unboxing. Today I'll be unboxing Thursday's most popular boot, the Captain in tobacco with the StormKing lug outsole. I've previously done a first impression and on-feet review of the Arizona Adobe Captain. If you guys have not seen that video, be sure to click up here. I'll link it right here so it's easier for you guys to find it. Just click that and watch it. Before we dive right into this unboxing, if you guys aren't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you guys went down and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, as I would really appreciate it, and it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And let me know in the comments down below whether you prefer the StormKing lug outsole or the traditional Captain. And yes guys, don't worry, of course I will be wearing these on feet, letting you guys see what it looks like on feet to help you decide whether or not you think this is a boot that fits your style. But before we even unbox, I could tell you it's gonna fit your style because it's awesome. Let's go ahead and talk about the packaging really quick. I absolutely love the metallic foiling with Thursday Boots logo over here. And on the side, we just have some shoe information, the sizing. For me, I wear an 8.5. On Thursday's website, I know they recommend going a half size down, and I could personally confirm that going half size down for me has worked. It fits more snug and more comfortable. Just overall fits a lot better. So for me, my sneakers, I wear a size 9. For these boots, I go a size 8.5. If you guys get a boot size that doesn't fit you quite well, Thursday actually has a really good exchange policy where you can exchange it for the size you want that will fit you better, headache free. It's a really simple and easy process to exchange. So when you do shop for boots on Thursday website, you don't have to worry too much about the sizing and fitting. Because if it doesn't fit, you just exchange it for a size that does fit. Pretty simple, awesome, right? Cool, let's go ahead and unbox it now. I'll give you guys the first look as usual. Are you ready? Let's go ahead. Whoa. What's in here? Got this nice wrapping paper. Ooh, look at that. As soon as you unbox it, the smell of leather just like hits you in the face. Ooh, always smells so good. And it's protected so well. It has these wrappers on the boot. Look at that. Put the box off to the side. Ooh, look at that. Comes like this. So when it comes and ships to you, it's nice packaged. It's not gonna get damaged or anything. Well packaged. Definitely, like I said, first thing you notice when you open the box is that wonderful leather smell. Smells so good. Alright, let me show you guys. So these are the Captain in tobacco color with a StormKing lug outsole. Look at that outsole. All these nice grooves. Gives you a little bit extra durability and extra traction. You can wear these hiking, wear them every day, wear them to work. You can easily dress them up and dress them down. Ooh, look at that. I absolutely love this matte dark brown. This is the tobacco color. What's interesting is that they don't have the tobacco color in the normal traditional Captains, only in the StormKing lug outsole. If you wanted to get the tobacco color that doesn't have a StormKing outsole, then you'd have to get the President in the tobacco color. But for Captains, they only come in this colorway with the StormKing lug outsole. As you guys know by now, there's a 360-degree Goodyear welt on these boots, which just helps with water resistance. And if it's raining or you're walking through a puddle, you don't have to worry about your socks getting wet, because I absolutely hate wearing boots and my socks getting wet. Socks getting wet is probably the absolute worst thing. Would you guys agree? Yeah, it's the worst. So it helps with water resistance. It's also easier to resole the soles. If you have ever worn through the soles, you can get them resoled a lot easier, alright? Another thing that I like about these boots are these Kevlar laces for extra durability. nice and easy. Comes with speed hook on the side. Really easy to put these on. However, because they do have laces, putting these shoes on will take a little bit of time compared to Chelsea boot. There are a lot of laces that you have to untie, loosen up, put your feet in, then tighten it back up. Whereas compared to a Chelsea boot that doesn't have any laces, where you can open the shoes wide and slip your feet in. Or these, like I said, just take a lot more time untying the laces, tightening them back on, and getting them tied. But overall, it's not gonna take too long. This is also part of Thursday's Rugged and Resilience line. Just means the leather they use is extra rugged. You can wear them for a long time, especially paired with the StormKing lug outsole. You can wear these outdoors, hiking, wear them to work. These are just a lot more versatile. I absolutely love these boots. But that's gonna be it for this quick unboxing. Like I said, I've done a lot of Thursday unboxing before, so this will just be really fast, give you my first impression. First impression, absolutely love it. Look at these, very sexy. Love the silhouette of these captain boots, that I could see why these are Thursday's most popular boots. Love the tobacco color. I wish there was an option of having the tobacco color in captains with or without the StormKing lugs outsole. But right now, if you want the tobacco color in the captains, you can only get them with these outsoles. Enough talking, let's go ahead and go outside and put these bad boys on to give you a quick look what they look like on feet. I'll put some jeans on to show you what they look like with jeans. Are you ready? Let's go. Hope you guys enjoyed that really quick on-feet look of these Thursday Captain Tobacco with the StormKing outsole. And let's really quickly talk about pricing. These boots are going to be the same price as the traditional Captains in any other colorway, $199. Like I said many times before, $199 for an awesome, good looking leather boot. That is 360 good year well is unheard of. This is such a good deal. And if you guys are even considering about buying any Thursday boots, especially these Captains, I would say just pull the trigger and buy it, because you're not gonna find any other boot out there with a value this good, all right? Especially with the StormKing outsole, 360 degree Goodyear welt, got Kevlar blend laces. I love the speed hook. So many cool features about these boots that say $199 is definitely worth it. So if you guys are even considering about it, go buy it. $199, good deal, all right? That's gonna be it for this really quick unboxing and on-feet look. If you guys liked it and thought this video was helpful, be sure to leave a like. I would really appreciate it. And go in the comments down below. Let me know if you prefer the traditional Captain or the Captain with the StormKing outsole. If this video gets over 50 likes, I will do a side-by-side comparison of the traditional Captain in Arizona Adobe color versus the tobacco in StormKing lug outsole, alright? Just show you quick differences of the outsole. Ooh, look at the colors. You want this video? You better get me 50 likes right now. Oh yeah, don't forget to watch these videos over here and click the subscribe button right there. But yeah, you want this comparison video? You better get me 50 likes right now. I'll see you guys later. Out.